Good morning, children. Before yesterday already we have completed our activities in fourth lesson. So for essay 1 exams, we want to read question answers also. Okay. So just we have to know about this lesson, mind map. Once open your textbook, all of you. So page number 65 you are having 4C activity. Okay. This 4C activity you have to write and compare in, but nowadays we are not studying schools. That's why after you have to write this activity. Okay. So now open page number 66. Page number 66 in mind map you are having. Complete the mind map. So in this total lesson, what are the nutrients we see? Okay. So different types of nutrients we are observing. Carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. So you have to complete this. And next one, they are also called different names we are using for the carbohydrates and fats, energy giving foods. And proteins we can call bodybuilding foods, and productive foods, vitamins and minerals. So different names we are using. And next one, examples of the carbohydrates: rice, wheat, banana, okay, or sugar, anything. Next one, examples of the proteins, egg, milk, meat. And vitamins and minerals where we get leafy vegetables and fruits and water, okay, and eggs also. And next one, fats, butter, ghee, oil. Okay, so what are the uses of these all the nutrients? First we have to discuss about the carbohydrates. Any uses there? Yes, immediately we are getting energy for the carbohydrates, and we have to do all the activities for that energy. And next one, proteins. So they help us to grow stronger, and they can repair our bones and muscles also. Okay. And next one, fats. They can excess energy stored in our body, and they are used as a energy also. And these energy is stored in our body as layers of the fat. And next one, vitamins and minerals. Okay. They can fight against the diseases. So we are observing these all in this lesson. Children, so today already fourth lesson completed in SCA1. We are having up to 4 lessons. And children, yesterday I sent our project. So children, before October 15 you can submit that project work. And see here, so many question answers also there. So descriptive method you are having 15 marks for that. So in descriptive method you have to read that all, and question answers, and whatever we are having a glossary, and fill in the blanks, true or false, and drawing, everything you have to practice. Okay, so in this lesson just see glossary today, page number 67 glossary you are having. How you can read? Just I am reading now, just you have to observe in your textbook. First one, see dehydration. Okay, so dehydration means already okay, lack of water. So here a condition where the body does not have enough water. Okay, we should not take enough water for our body. What happened? We will fall about the dehydration. And next one is junk food. Food that contains high levels of sugar or oil and very small amounts of other nutrients. Can you compare this healthy food and unhealthy food, junk food? You will see a lack of nutrients. Okay. More carbohydrates and fats only present, but we are not getting enough nutrients. Okay, so lack of nutrients, that is called junk food. Next one, see macronutrients. Nutrients required by our body in large amounts. Already said that meaning of macro and micro. Okay, macro means large, micro small. So in these macronutrients, when we are taking food items, in that food items we will see large amounts of carbohydrates, fats. Okay, these are the large amounts. So we can call these macronutrients, nutrients required by our body in large amounts. We call macronutrients. Next one, micronutrients. Nutrients required by our body in small amounts. That one we can call micronutrients. And next one, nutrients. First, what about the nutrients? Already know. So different types of nutrients we are observing. Things in food that are important for our growth and health and the proper working of organs in our body. If we are doing any work, what should we need? We need nutrients. And if we are grow healthy, what we need? We need nutrients. So when our body is working properly, we need some nutrients. Okay. So nutrients means things in the food that are important for our growth, health, and the proper working of organs in our body we can call nutrients. So these nutrients, they are divided in different types. So previously we have discussed that nutrients, different types of nutrients, and what are the uses of the nutrients. Okay children. So here we are having matching and fill in the blanks in this lesson, and question answer also we are having. So I will send WhatsApp in these all. So children, you have to write in your studio. And children, today I will send question answers for you. You have to write in new CW. You have to write very neatly CW. Every day you have to mention the date also. Okay. So in CW, first lesson onwards you have to start. Already you are having 2 lessons. So today I will send 3rd lesson and 4th lesson. You have to note down in your CW. Because for S7 exams we need question answers also. That's why. Okay. Okay children. Next class we will discuss remaining. Bye. Have a nice day.